Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Vintage Story on PC or laptop. So the first thing you want to do is go into Google and type in HIO, which is going to be the website we're going to download it from and buy it from. So HIO is a website where you can download the latest indie games, and we want to go to the website and then to the search box up here to where it says search for games or creators and type in Vintage Story. And then as you can see, it's going to pop up and it says Vintage Story. You click on it, then there we go. And as you can see, it says it is a downloadable game for Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Now, here are some instructions of the game and you can read all about it. See all the images on the right hand side, but then up here or down here, once you have scrolled, here it says buy now, and this is exactly where you get the game. Now you can get the version for Windows, for Linux, or for Mac. As I have said, and currently the development log, the latest release, which tells you the game is being updated and it's actually not that old of a game at all. So what you want to do is click on buy now, where you can pay for the game. You can pay more and support the creator as well, and you get included files on the list over here. So the Vintage Story for Windows, Linux, and Mac, you can click if you want to support the developer by paying above the minimum price. You can add 1, 2, 5, or 10, and you can give this game as a gift if you want to. So I'm not going to do this right now, but if you do, you will have to input the email of the recipient once you have paid for the game. But if you don't, if you want just for yourself, you only have to click here to where it says your email address. Then you want to enter in your email address and your payment information will be sent to your email address. Then you can select whether you want to pay with card or with PayPal, and once you have selected a method and went through the checkout process, you will be able to download the game and all the included files. And once you have downloaded them, you simply extract the zip folder that you get and open up the game with the exe file, and you can start playing. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.